Hi everyone, how are you all? Today we're gonna be doing uh the organelles of the cell, in which what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be doing cell wall. Okay, yeah. Today's topic is cell wall. Yesterday I had done the introduction to the chapter. Take care. Yesterday I did the introduction to the chapter. Today we gonna be doing the cell wall. Okay, cell wall padenge. Though cell wall is a very simple topic. Okay, it's the simplest topic, or it's the simplest organelle in, you know yeah, it's the simplest. So let's get started. Yeah. So what is cell wall? Abhi just bataya. It's a wall. Okay, and it is only found in the plant cell. This wall is a special wall which is made up of cellulose and is only found in the plant cell. If you have any doubts, let me show you a picture for the same. Okay, so here you go. So here you can see there's an image. Okay, where's the pen? Just a minute, everyone. Let me get my pen. So see, ye dekho, this is a plant cell. Okay, it is a plant cell. And here in this plant cell now, you can see this cell membrane. Abhi we will talk about these all things, your chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi body, RER, everything. Yeah, centrosome also. So आज हम पढ़ेंगे about the cell wall. Can you see it's the outermost layer? Up you can see here two layers. ठीक है? Let me get my pointer. एक minute everyone, just a minute. Yeah. So see, you can see two layers. एक ये वाली layer जो पतली सी layer है white color की, and what happened? Okay, and the other, just a minute. See ना, एक आपको ये वाली दिख रही है layer पतली वाली, and एक आपको बाहर दिख रही है green वाली layer. Are you able to see everyone? Are you able to see? You're able to see two layers, right? एक बाहर वाली layer, ये वाली white वाली, and एक ये green वाली layer, right? Okay. So these two are the layers. So the outer one, this green one, yeah, this green one is my cell wall, which is made up of, yes, cellulose. Okay, it is made up of cellulose. ठीक है, it's made up of cellulose. Okay, no problem, bad handwriting. Okay, it's my cell wall. That outer one you can see now, that's my cell wall. And the inner one, this one, black one, that is my cell membrane or my plasma membrane. Okay, today we're going to be talking about the cell wall. So cell wall is only and only found in plant cell. This outer, this green one. Okay, this green one. We will we'll answer this question, that why is it found only in the plant cell. We will answer this question. Wait, everyone. Okay, so I hope you're able to match. You can able to see that which I am talking about. What am I talking about? Fine. Cell wall. uh, okay, cell wall. Okay, so cell wall is the outer and the rigid covering of a plant cell. ठीक है, एक प्लांट सेल का ये आउटर एक रिजिड कवरिंग है किसका? It's the outer rigid covering of a plant cell, right? As I told you, and it is composed of cellulose. Now, what is cellulose, everyone? Very good question. Ki what is cellulose? But just a minute, let me answer this question. Right. So, what is cellulose? Cellulose is a kind of protein that is found in only plant cells. Okay. Right. So cellulose, it is a you can say that's kind of a protein which is found only in plant cells. Okay, so cellulose एक protein होता है that you only found in a plant cell. So the cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cell wall जो है वो cellulose की बनी होती है. The cell wall is very rigid and it protects the plant cell from any outside injuries. ठीक है, so जो cell wall है ना, it is very rigid, बहुत hard होती है. cell wall जो होती है बहुत hard होती है, and इसी reason से वो plant को injuries से protect करती है. plant पे कोई भी injury आ जाती है, so for example plasmolysis. ठीक है, plasmolysis मैं यहाँ पे लिखती हूँ. Plasmolysis is an injury to the plant. Okay, let me write it. Plasmolysis. Plasmolysis. So ये plasmolysis है क्या? Okay, so plasmolysis ना, this plasmolysis ना, it is a kind of it happens when a plant cell shrinks. Okay, when a plant cell shrinks due to less water. जब एक plant cell shrink हो जाता है less water की वजह से, ये जो मेरा प्लांट सेल है, फॉर एग्जांपल ये मेरा बाहर का सेल वॉल है, दिस इज माय मेम्ब्रेन अंदर का, एंड अंदर मेरा सारा कंटेंट है. सो जो ये है ना मेरा प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन या सेल मेम्ब्रेन, ये हो जाता है श्रिंक हो जाता है, इट गेट्स श्रिंक्ड, बट दिस सेल वॉल रिमेन्स स्ट्रॉन्ग. सेल वॉल जो है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग रहती है, जस्ट उसका सेल जो अंदर का मेम्ब्रेन है दैट गेट्स श्रिंक. ठीक है, सो जो हमारी सेल वॉल है दैट्स वेरी गुड, इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द प्लांट फ्रॉम एनी इंजरीज दैट हैपन टू एनी प्लांट. ठीक है, प्लाज्मोलिसिस है. अगर ये सेल वॉल नहीं होती प्लांट्स में, प्लांट तो सेल वॉल से खत्म ही हो जाता. व्हाट वुड हैपन? नथिंग, नो. सो सेल वॉल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट प्रोटेक्ट्स, it is very rigid, it is very hard, and it protects the plant from any injury. प्लांट को कोई भी इंजरी होती है उससे ये उसको प्रोटेक्ट करता है. क्या? सेल वॉल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है, नाउ द क्वेश्चन कम्स कि why is the cell wall only in plant cells and not in animal cell? Very good question ना, कि जो आपकी जो cell wall है, why is it only found in plant cells, animal cell में क्यों नहीं होती है ये? Guys, I'm giving you 5 minutes. Sorry, not 5 minutes, 5 seconds. Quickly write your answers in the comment section. I'm gonna see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over. Okay, I need your answers in the comment. That why is the cell wall only in the plant cells and not in animal cell? Okay, so the ones who guessed the answer correct, I would like to appreciate you. And the ones who were not able to guess the answer, no problem. Let's see what the answer is. अब देखो, अब आपको पता है कि जो आपके प्लांट्स है क्या ये कोई मूवमेंट करते हैं? Do the plants do any movement? Obviously, no. There is no movement in the plant cells, right? वो अपने आप तो plant हिलने तो लगता नहीं है, right? The plant does not start moving on its own, right? It stays in its one place. Now it, because it stays in its one place, it can be affected by anything. Because वो हिल नहीं सकता, वो खुद को इंजरी से थोड़ा प्रोटेक्ट कर सकता है क्या? नहीं कर सकता ना खुद को. लाइक हमको कुछ भी हो, वी कैन मूव हेयर एंड देयर. इनको फूड बनाना हो, कुछ भी हो, वी कैन मूव फ्रॉम हेयर एंड देयर, राइट? बट plants also not able to move. So that is why we have cell wall. ताकि अगर प्लांट पर कोई भी इंजरी आती है ना, तो सेल वॉल है उसको मैनेज करने के लिए. ओके, इसकी नीड तो ह्यूमन में बिल्कुल ही नहीं होती है. वी डू नॉट नीड इट एट ऑल. आंसर देखते हैं, लेट्स सी द आंसर. सो द सेल वॉल, just a minute. Okay, fine. The cell wall is present only इन प्लांट्स, सिर्फ प्लांट्स में होता है, बिकॉज प्लांट्स के नॉट मूव। प्लांट्स जो है वो मूव नहीं कर सकते। the plants cannot move, they cannot show any movement to protect themselves or to prepare food, राइट। प्लांट्स तो हिल सकते नहीं है खुद को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, या खुद को खुद को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, या कुछ भी चीज के लिए, या खाना बनाने के लिए, दे कैन नॉट मूव, राइट। So that the plant does not get any injuries or any internal damage, for that we have the cell wall. Okay, plants also have that chloroplasts which help in photosynthesis का process, ठीक है। Humans and animals can move, right? I can move to take glass of water here, right? But can plants do? Plants have to wait for the sunlight to come, for the rain to come, right? Okay, so we can move to protect ourselves, but the plants cannot move. That's why they have the cell wall, and we, the animal cells, do not have. Okay, so this was all your concept of cell wall. ठीक है, cell wall वाला topic is done. In your sixth grade, seventh, eighth, ninth, till ninth, okay, 10th में आए, you do not have these stupid things. So everyone, this cell wall topic should be very much clear to you. Cell wall was a very simple topic, okay. अभी तक let's summarize what we have studied. Cell wall की outer rigid covering होती है plant cell. It's composed of cellulose and बहुत हार्ड होता है, प्लांट को प्रोटेक्ट करता है किसी भी डिजीजेस, किसी भी इंजरीज सच एज प्लाज्मोलिसिस, इन सबसे प्रोटेक्ट करता है। एंड the only plant cells have the cellulose because it is present because the plants cannot move, okay, because the plants cannot move. This is gonna vanish. Fine, clear everyone. Thank you everyone. I'm gonna meet you in my next video that will be on cytoplasm. Till then, take care and bye bye.